Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.
Today our topic is on growth spurts. What is growth? First you should know this. What is growth? Growth is a self multiplication of a living substance. That means if a body is growing, if a body is multiplying or a living body is multiplying to become a larger body, that is known as growth. Now, growth spurts are period when a sudden acceleration of the growth occur. That means at that stage when a little baby is growing and at a point in a rapid manner. That means if this is the baby and he or she is growing slowly and suddenly it grows like a big adult at a particular age, that is known as a growth spurt. This sudden increase is known as a growth spurt. This can be done due to physiological alteration in the hormonal section. This time it occurs. It does not take place at the same rate all the time period. This growth spurt does not takes place all the time at the same rate. Every time this rate is different. The clinical features of growth spurts are it is in safety valve mechanism. The safety valve mechanism starts in growth spurts for the treatment of growth modulation. When there is a growth modulation, at that time we use this for the treatment. Surgical correction carried out after cessation of the growth spurts. After ending, cessation means ending of a surgical spurt. When there is a ending of the surgical spurt, at that time we do surgical corrections. Functional orthodontic appliances given for the better response during growth spurts. During the growth spurts, we give a orthodontic appliances to the patient for better result or better response. Timing of growth spurts are during the child age. In male, the growth spurt time is 3 years, and in females it is also 3 years in female. That means male and female have same year timing. And in juvenile means young age. At this age, the male growth spurt timing is 6 to 7 years and the female growth spurt time is 7 to 9 years. In prepubertal stage, prepubertal means before puberty. Before puberty in male it is 11 to 12 years and in female it is 13 to 15 years of age. At this time, the baby or a child or a juvenile or pubertal young is going to increase or develop. The development of body takes place at this time in a rapid manner. This is the growth spurt. Safety valve mechanism means we are going to learn here safety valve mechanism because in clinical features of growth spurts, the safety valve mechanism was there. So we are going to know about this. Safety valve mechanism is intercanine width. That means tip of
The cusp tip of the right side
the cusp tip of left
to the cusp
to the cusp tip of the left canine
the distance
is
between
the
both the
intercanine
of
width.
right side
The
and
width
left
between
side is the
two cusps of
intercanine
the
width.
canine is known as intercanine width. In mandible there is a formation of complete. The mandible completes at 9 years in female and in 10 years in male. When mandible completes the formation at 9 years and 10 years in female and male respectively, After that, pubertal growth which leads to horizontal mandible growth. The mandible is going to grow in the horizontal manner like this. Okay, mandible is going to grow like this. After this, there is a adjustment of maxilla intercanine width to the mandible dentition. That means the maxilla will going to fit on this mandible, and the intercanine width adjustment will going to takes place between the tip of the lower canine and the tip of the upper canine. That means the upper canine as well as the lower canine will going to make a relation during the growth. That is mandibular dentition, width to the mandibular dentition. Then maintain proper occlusion. Then at last there will be the maintenance of the proper occlusion. First one, there is going to complete mandible formation, then horizontal mandible growth, then intercanine width and adjustment will going to take place and maintain proper occlusion. In maxilla, that means upper jawbone, the formation completes by 12 years in female and 18 years in male. The maxilla is going to develop or formation takes place at the late stage after the mandible. That means here the mandible was growing, the formation was completing at 9 years, and maxilla here is completing at 12, and here it was 10 and now it is 18. The maxilla is now growing late. The formation completes by 12 years in females and 18 years in males. Then what is going to happen? Delay in maxilla intercanine width lead to safety valve mechanism. The delay, when the maxilla will going to delay, after that only the safety valve mechanism will takes place. That means the proper occlusion is going to maintain and the growth will takes place in a good manner. So this was the safety valve mechanism, and this was the timing of the growth spurts, at what time the growth spurts timing takes place and what stage.
Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.